Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'll be showing 3 tips on where you can edit your video on CapCut. Number 1 is how you can add a text behind your image. I'll be teaching you some ways you can use that. Within 3 minutes you're done. And number 2, I'll be teaching you how you can blur a particular image from your project. There are some things that you shoot outside and you don't want some people to show. You wanted to blur out some image from your behind or your side. I'll be teaching you how you can achieve that on your CapCut. And number 3, I'll be teaching you how you can create an effect with the text by walking, and the text will be following you. It's very easy. I'll be showing you. Stick to the end of the video so you can see how that is made. Let's dive into the video. Number 1, first thing we need to do is to open our CapCut application on our phones. Click on new projects and choose the video you want to use for your project. Once you bring the video to your timeline, move the cursor back to the beginning of the video and click on text. So for this project, we'll be using Johnny as our test project. So once I've done that, I'm going to expand the text to fill the screen. Then I'm going to choose a preferable font I want to use for this project. It depends on how you want your project, but on this project I'll be using Resolve. Then you click on animation to choose your transition for in and out. So on this project of our in transition, I'll be using type 1 for in transition. Then I'll be using you need to reduce the intensity of the type 1. Then the out, I'm going to use pop down. Then you have to increase that a little bit because it will fade into the video. So once you've done that, you go back to your timeline and you expand the video to the end of the, you expand the text to the end of the video. Then you export your video. Once you export your video, you go back to new project and you bring out the export project to your timeline. Then you click on overlay, add overlay. Then you bring your previous video, the main video, you bring it back to your timeline. Once you've done that, you make sure they are on the same level and you expand the video to fit the screen. Then you go back to the beginning of the video. Once you see that you're satisfied with the video, you can cut the end. Once the video is on the same length, then you click on remove background to the new project you just added, the one without text. You click on it and you go to add remove background to it. Once you've done that, you click on auto remover and click on check. Then you play back your video. You see how the transition is going to work and how the effect is going to work. Once you've done that, you click at the end of the video and make sure you split the end to be on the same level with the one with the text. Then you export your project. Voila. Then you play back your project and see how it works. It's very easy for you to blur out some people that you don't want to be in your video, or part of your video you wanted to blur out, you don't want to see it. It's very easy when you use a CapCut. As a new beginner, it's very easy for you to use. You can use your phone, you can use your desktop or your Apple Mac to edit it. But I'll be using CapCut on my mobile phone to edit this video. And number 2, take your CapCut and import your new project to your timeline. Click on effects and go to video effects. Look for lens and click on lens. Then you choose blur. Once you choose blur, you have to expand the intensity to 100 to give you a full blur of the video. Make sure the blur starts from the beginning of your video and you extend the effect to the end of your project for you to have a full blur to the whole video. Once you've done that, click on overlay, bring the project without the blur to your timeline. Once that load to your timeline, once you've done that, you extend the video to fit your screen. Then you click on the diamond shape, which is the keyframe, and you go to mask. You click on mask and you choose circle. So it's going to blur a particular face. Then you go to click on invert. Invert will change the blur to the face alone. Then you now move the video forward. Then you'll be moving the circle to the particular place you want to blur. Then you continue doing it to the end of the video. You keep moving forward and you put the circle on the image you want to blur. Once you're done with that, you click on check, and once you're satisfied with the video, you export your video in 4K. Just try and do some practice and get it right. Number 3 is how you can allow a text to follow an object. Let's dive into it. You need a stock video that shows someone that is working before you can achieve this kind of project. Go to your CapCut and click on new project and import the video you want to use for your project. So you import it to your timeline and you go to text and you write your text you want to use for your project. In this text, I'll be using work along. So once you type your text, you click on style and you choose the style you want to use. Then you click on font and choose your preferable font that you wanted to use. So for this project, I'll be using Canada as my text variable. Then I will extend the text to fit the screen. Once you've done that, you go to animation to add your in and out animation. You choose your variable in and out, but make sure your out animation is expand. Then you expand the animation to the end of the video. Then you click on export. Make sure you export your video in 4K to give you a good quality. Then once your video is exported, you now bring out your project without text. You bring that to your timeline first. Then you now click on overlay and bring the one you just exported that has a text to your timeline. Once you've done that, you bring it to your timeline, you allow it to load, then you will make sure the video fits to the above video. Then you expand the video to fit the screen. Once you've done that, you go back to the beginning of the video where the man walks into the key shot. Then you add your keyframe to it so that you'll be able to. Then you go to mask and add your mask. You go to horizontal and you turn it to 90 degrees. Then you move it back to the beginning of where the man is walking through the text. You move the picture forward. Then you'll be moving the keyframe as well. You'll be following the object. And you'll be moving your picture, you'll be moving your keyframe as well to follow the object. You will do that to the end of the video. Once you continue doing that, you continue doing that to the end of your video. This is very easy for you to do. Once you keep on practicing, you'll be able to do it very well yourself. Once you finish that, you click on the above video and you click on duplicate. So you can have a copy of that video, bring it down to your timeline. You click on duplicate, then you click on overlay. It will bring the picture down. Then you move it to the beginning of the video. Next, you go and you click on remove BG, which is remove background. To remove your background, and you click on auto remover, click on check. Voila, you're done. All you need to do is click the ending, then export your video in 4K. Then you are done. I hope you get the value from this video. If you get the value from this video, kindly click on comments and comment below value. And if you are not subscribed to this channel, kindly click on subscribe button below and share button. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next video. Signing out.